of the reasons tegus are such a threat to native species in the Everglades is the threat that they pose to different songbirds. They also will do this to alligator nests, but alligators aren't exactly threatened. However, the American crocodile is. And while the American crocodile has a much more limited range, a lot of songbirds use Florida as kind of a... Dang it, Juju, you were supposed to eat the egg! Yet they also pose a massive threat to strawberry patches, as you can see here. Yes, she is doing her tall, proud, I just devoured a strawberry face. I wanted to show you how she just kind of goes through eggs, but she had other plans. Well, maybe now that she's eaten all the strawberries, she'll go for an egg.